morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, finally we received this new smartwatch, popular smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, what we have here is the Magic 4 smartwatch, one of the most affordable smartwatch from Kospet, and it is also one of the most premium looking wearable. Okay, so we have here the Magic 4 smartwatch. The brand is Kospet, as you can see here. The website is kospet.com. Okay, so we have the color here, the black color. It is also available in a pink color, and as you can see here, this is the design of the wearable circular smartwatch with its two physical button here, and we have a strap. Okay, so we are not sure whether it's a silicone strap or a leather strap. Okay, so let's check. Let's have the unboxing of this beautiful smartwatch from Kospet. Okay, so let's remove the box here, and as you can see here, we have the smartwatch. Seems like we have a silicone strap, magnetic charging cable here. We have the smartwatch. Okay, and let's check it out. Okay, so we have the thank you card here. Okay, Kospet, watch you want, and we have the Magic 4 user manual here. Okay, so information regarding the safe usage. We have the specifications here. Magic 4 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Do we have a QR code? So the button here, as you can see, is the power, and we have the home button, and we have a full touchscreen support. We also have here the QR code. It is using the Dafit app support app. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. Okay, let's have a closer look. You have a strap here. Okay, metal body, two physical buttons available in black. You have a strap here. Okay, we have the beautiful screen display here, slim bezel, metallic button here, sensor at the back. We have the power connector, smartwatch waterproof design, heart rate monitor. What's this? Assembled in China. Okay, so far it looks good. It looks premium, by the way. Okay, we have a glossy, semi-glossy brush finish, zinc alloy body. I think the back is a PC material. Yes, it is PC material. Here, as you can see here, we have a quick release pin for the strap. Okay, so let's check the specifications here. Okay, so it runs the Realtek 8762D. Okay, 64 MB memory. We have a Metal Plus IML material, 1.32 inch TFT IPS LCD screen, 360 by 360 pixel resolution. Wow, very good. Okay, I thought that it's 240 by 240 pixel resolution, but as you can see here, it's much better than that. It's a high resolution screen having a 360 by 360 pixel resolution. So capacitive touch screen. For the battery, 230 mAh lithium polymer battery. Advanced, as you can see here, the latest Bluetooth 5.0, and it is waterproof up to 50 meters. Wow, very good. It also has a heart rate pedometer. Okay, built in 20 sports mode. Okay, we have sedentary message reminder, and we also have a blood pressure here. So it is compatible with Android 6.0, iOS 9.0, and it has the Dafit support app. Okay, So beautiful smartwatch here. Okay, let's take a look again at the design. Okay, so we don't have any, you don't see any speaker hole here or mic. So it supports only call notifications and message notifications here. Seems like we don't have a Bluetooth call, but anyway, still it's a very beautiful smartwatch. Okay, it is a sport tracking smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Okay, before we remove the plastic, let's check first the if the smartwatch is turning on or still have a power left to it. Okay, power. Okay, Kospet. Okay, we have the logo. Seems like we have still some juice left. Wow, nice display here. Okay, very sharp screen display. Okay, let me focus on the screen. Okay, so that's it. Slim bezel here. Okay, we have a metal bezel here, and we still have another slightly black bezel here. Okay, full touchscreen support. Okay, so battery settings there. Wow, I think I'm going to love this smartwatch. Very beautiful layout, very beautiful menu here. Okay, so let's check. Let's remove here. Okay, as you can see here, very sharp. Do we have other watch faces here? Analog. Nice color. Very good display screen. Okay, I'm impressed with the screen display of this Kospet smartwatch. Again, it has a 1.32 inch TFT IPS LCD here. Okay, let me focus on the specs here. 1.32 inch TFT IPS 360 by 360 pixel resolution. Okay, see it here, 2.5D tempered glass. Okay, slightly elevated, giving the wearable a very good display screen. Premium looking smartwatch here from Kospet, and it's very affordable, by the way. Okay, you can check it on the website of Kospet if you want to buy this, and you want to make it sure that you're buying it from a legitimate source. Okay, okay, watch out for our next video, as we will show you the menus and features of the wearable, as well as the installation of the support app. Okay, with a good display screen, I'm very curious or interested on the watch faces available for this wearable. I hope that we can download a lot of premium watch faces for this smartwatch. So we have an analog here. Nice. As you can see, beautiful transition or animation, smooth animation of the seconds here. Okay, it's not ticking. Okay, instead it is slowly moving, very smooth. Okay, it looks very premium. Okay, beautiful premium looking wearable from Kospet.com. Okay, okay, let me focus on the display screen here. Okay, take a look. Okay, very black. Okay, slim bezel here. Nice body, metal. Pure black, and with a two physical button. Okay. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this smartwatch from Kospet.com, okay, please drop a comment below. Again, this is the Kospet Magic 4 smartwatch, one of the latest smartwatch from the Magic series by Kospet. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, please drop a comment below. Bye.